does IO find out that someone is telling lie? Does he have lie detector?
That's a very good question. ये आई विश कि मेरे पास नार्को एनालिसिस कर सकता तुम सबके, इंजेक्शन लगा के देखता कि भैया झूठ बोल रहे हो नहीं. But the very fact is that IO is reasonably experienced, and he's experienced by virtue of two facts. One, because he is reasonably senior in age, and he's seen a lot of life. And furthermore, his children are of your age. तो उसको ये बोध होता है कि उसको मालूम है जब वो आपकी उम्र का था तब एनवायरनमेंट क्या है और आज क्या बदलाव आया है. ही इज फुली अवेयर ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ इंटरनेट ऑन ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. बिकॉज उसके घर में भी उसके बच्चे हैं, एंड ही रियलाइजेज हाउ दे हैव बिकम डिफरेंट देन व्हाट हिज जनरेशन वाज. So that is one very important thing, that he is fully aware. That is IOK. तो कहाँ से देखता है? For him, lie is to hide, to evade, to be dishonest, or to even manipulate. Lie क्या होता है कि जब हम चीज़ को बिल्कुल झुठला देते हैं. Evade क्या? जैसे he, for example, he asked me, tell me of the teacher who has impressed you on others for the reason why they have not. So he quietly talks of the teachers who has impressed him, but is silent on the teachers who have not impressed him. So he is evading that question. Similarly, what is hiding? For example, like he talks of the fact, he tell me of your friends, both boys and girls who are close to you. Majority of the boys and girls will talk the friends, but they will not talk of their girlfriend and boyfriend. और जब बाद में पूछता कि do you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend, then they come up कि yes sir मेरा ये girlfriend है या boyfriend है. बट वो पहले नहीं बताता है. Then he is actually hiding things. And manipulation क्या होता है कि जो जैसे कि कई बार बच्चे खेलते नहीं हैं, but they realize कि that it is important to show that we are playing games, we are doing certain activities which they have not actually done it, and they try to manipulate the scenario by telling कि they have not done those kind of hobbies. So they try to impress the interviewing officer by telling कि गार्डनिंग करते हैं. और अगर वो पूछ भी ले कि गार्डनिंग में क्या करते हो, तो उनको मालूम भी नहीं कि ऑर्नामेंटल फ्लावर्स लगाते हैं या हर्ब्स लगाते हैं या फ्रूट ट्रीज लगाते हैं या क्या किस तरह की गार्डनिंग करते हैं या टेरेस गार्डन कर रहे हैं, कौन सा फर्टिलाइजर, उनको उसके बारे में कोई ज्ञान ही नहीं होता है. Then he realized that he is trying to manipulate. So actually he has got no lie detector, but his experience and your inability to deal with yourself shows that you're lying, that you're hiding, that you're evading, that you're being dishonest. कई बार प्रश्न होता है डिसऑनेस्टी का भी. डिसऑनेस्टी है कि जैसे कई बार हम लोग कोचिंग पे आते हैं, सीखते नहीं हैं, घर जाके काम नहीं करते हैं. वी आर बीइंग डिसऑनेस्ट टू आवरसेल्व्स एंड आवर पेरेंट्स, एंड ये सब दिखाई देना शुरू हो जाता है. Please do understand, when he is dealing with whole lot of these experience, so experienced, he immediately comes to know that this person is not reliable. He cannot be trusted. और just the moment he realizes कि ये बच्चे को ट्रस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता, रिलायबल नहीं है, तो भारत की सेना को आपके हाथ में नहीं देगा, वो किसी का जीवन आपके हाथ में नहीं सौंपेगा. He has to be very sure that you are trustworthy and reliable. And you can be trustworthy and reliable if you do not hide, evade, manipulate, and are not dishonest.